Hello, my dear students. In this video, I will tell you some questions based on GST. In my earlier video, part 1, there was GST, the introduction of the GST. All the terms related with GST I had explained already in my first video. So, I have taken this book, ML Agrawal, ISC Understanding, ICSC Understanding Mathematics, class 10. Here the exercise 1, you can see. In this one question I am taking from exercise 1, chapter 1, GST. Question number 5 is there. Actually, I will tell the different questions based on and the most expected questions which comes in the examination, board examination. A dealer, question number 5, a dealer buys an article for rupees 6,000 from a wholesaler. A dealer buys an article rupees 6,000 from a wholesaler, and then dealer sells the article to a consumer at 15% profit. First of all, you read the question and then select how many members are there. मतलब कितने लोग इसमें सेल कर रहे हैं, परचेज कर रहे हैं. So there is one wholesaler, then dealer and then consumer. Okay, dealer ने wholesaler से खरीदा, then dealer sells to the consumer. In this, dealer buys the article from wholesaler at rupees 6,000. It means selling price for the wholesaler is rupees 6,000 and cost price for dealer is rupees also 6,000, क्योंकि इसने इसको सेल किया and the dealer purchases the article. It means the selling price for wholesaler and cost price for dealer both are same. The dealer sells the article to the consumer at 15% profit. अब dealer ने क्या किया कि he sells the article to the consumer. How much profit he took? 15%. 15% profit. Now, dealer sells the article to the consumer at 15% profit. So, what is the selling price of dealer to the consumer? So, selling price for dealer is equal to cost price 1 plus profit upon 100, 15 upon 100. I have told already all the formula of selling price, cost price, everything in my earlier video. So it will be 6,000. You can solve it by 100. So it will be cancelled, and you will get 6510, 6 5 is 30, 6 1 is 6, 3 9, and 6 1 is 6. Means 6,900. Rupees 6,900 is the selling price for the dealer. And what is the cost price for the customer? For the consumer? That is the same, 6,900. I tell you, in the two person, suppose A and B, and A is selling to B and B is purchasing from A. It means the both prices are same. Selling price for the A and cost price for the B, both are same. Now, what is the tax and what is asking in the question? The GST is 18%. It is given in the question, GST is equal to 18%. Okay, now I will find the taxes are part wise, SGST, CGST, these. इन्होंने लिखा फर्स्ट पार्ट, फाइंड द इनपुट CGST एंड इनपुट SGST पेड बाय डीलर. इनपुट CGST एंड इनपुट SGST पेड बाय द डीलर. इसका मतलब कि डीलर ने जब कॉस्ट प्राइस यानी खरीदा होगा इस होलसेलर से, तो ही गिव्स द टैक्स ऑन देयर परचेजिंग, मतलब ऑन देयर ऑन देयर कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो कॉस्ट प्राइस, what is the cost price for the dealer is rupees 6,000. Find the 18% of 6,000. But I told you this one in the earlier video. I have told already, if the selling and purchasing in the same state, it is known as the intra-state. In this question it is also written it is the intra-state, मतलब same state में ये सब हो रहा है. तो in that case half of the tax will go to the state government and half of the tax will go to the central government. तो in this input tax क्या होगा, 6,000 जो भी होगा 9% SGST होगा and 9% CGST होगा. Better if you find the 18% of 6,000 and then divide by 2, मतलब half will go to the state and half will go to the CGST. One method. Second method, find the 9% of 6,000 will go to the state government, 9% of 6,000 will go to the central government. मतलब ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हैं. तो चाहे जिस तरह से निकालें, you have to find now. So I find here the first part, input SGST by dealer. This is equal to 9% of 6,000. Cost price में 9 directly निकाल सकते हैं. तो 9 6 are 54, 540. This is the input tax, input SG. Similarly, input CGST by dealer. This is again 540 क्योंकि 9% of 6,000 again. Clear? This is the first part. Similarly, second part asking the output SGST and output CGST. हमने बताया in the first video. Output tax is the tax paid by the dealer, collected by the dealer. मतलब इस केस में डीलर कलेक्ट करेगा आउटपुट टैक्स फ्रॉम द कस्टमर ऑन देयर सेलिंग प्राइस. मतलब कि इस पे जो सेलिंग प्राइस की जो होगी डीलर की, जितने में बेचा है सेलिंग प्राइस, द टैक्स कलेक्टेड बाय द कंज्यूमर, कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द कंज्यूमर. This tax is known as the output tax. और ये भी हाफ हाफ होगा because it is intra-state. तो output tax, output you can say the SGST of dealer is equal to rupee 9% of SP. What is the selling price? 6,900. So it will be rupees 621. Similarly, output CGST of dealer, again the same rupees 620. This is the second part. Now the third part, the net CGST and SGST paid by dealer. Net CGST and net SGST. तो net का मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Net means the tax liability. तो tax liability, what is the tax liability? Output CGST minus input CGST. What is the tax liability for the CGST? मतलब कि ये जितने भी हैं इनको डिफरेंस में. थर्ड पार्ट, नेट CGST is equal to output CGST minus input CGST. So this is 621 minus 540 is equal to 181. Okay. Similarly, the net SGST, again output SGST minus input SGST, जो कि सेम था, तो this is also ₹81. Then the total amount paid by the fourth part, total amount paid by the consumer. The amount paid by consumer. ये छोटा सा टॉपिक है जिसमें कंज्यूमर हाउ मच ही पेज, he pays the cost price जितना में उसने मिला है and plus total tax. And what is the total tax? The tax paid on their cost price, क्योंकि वो दे रहा है तो tax paid on their cost price, तो CP plus tax, and this tax calculated on the same CP. So it will be, and what is CP for the customer? That is 6900 plus tax is 18% of CP, मतलब 6900. So this will be 6900 1 plus 18 by 100, and if you calculate this, so it will be 6900 into 118 by 100. $8142. This is the total amount given by the consumer to the shopkeeper, and in this the 18% GST will go to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper then adjust from the input tax, output minus input, then it will go to the government, state and central. So this is the question number 5. Similarly, the other questions. One more question I'm telling you, that is the question number in the same book. 9. That discount is also given. The dealer buys an article at a discount of 30% from the wholesaler. The mark price being ₹6,000. The dealer sell it to a consumer at a discount of 10% on the mark price. If the sales are intra-state and the rate of GST is 5%, find the amount paid by the consumer for the article, the tax paid by the dealer to the state government, and the amount of tax received by the central government. ये सब चीजें निकालनी. तो first I make here one chain, that is wholesaler, dealer and consumer. Okay. GST is given 5%, and if you write here intra-state, then it will be easier for the examiner. मतलब कि ये intra-state है, same state में होगा. And then mark price is given here ₹6,000. Then discount given by wholesaler to dealer is 30%. To find the selling price for wholesaler, this is equal to 6,001 minus 30 by 100. This is equal to 4,200 rupees. Clear? Then what is the CP for the dealer? This will be the same, rupees 4200. Then dealer sell it to the consumer at 10% discount on the mark price. So what is the selling price for dealer to consumer? Is 10% discount on their cost price. So cost price तो इतना है, तो sorry mark price. तो mark price is 6000. So 1 minus 10%. This is equal to rupees 5400. This is the selling price for dealer to consumer. So what is the cost price for consumer? The same, rupees 5400 cost price. Everything is clear. Selling price and cost price for all members. Then the GST is 5%. You have to find the amount paid by the consumer for the article. कितना amount पे किया गया consumer में? तो हमने बताया कि consumer will pay the CP plus total tax. और वो tax किस पे निकलेगा? CP पे ही निकलेगा. Total tax मतलब 5% of CP. तो इसको हम निकालते हैं. First part, the amount paid by consumer, CP plus tax. So this is equal to 5400 plus 5% of 5400. Then 5400 1 plus 5 by 100, it will be 54 into 105. This is equal to 105 into 54. 5670. This much amount will pay the consumer. Okay, the first part. Second part of this question, asking the tax paid by dealer to the state government. The tax paid by dealer to the state government. Paid by dealer to the state government यानी कि कौन सा टैक्स लायबिलिटी होगा, मतलब आउटपुट टैक्स माइनस इनपुट टैक्स, क्योंकि इसमें इन्होंने इनपुट और आउटपुट के बारे में नहीं बताया. तो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू पे द टैक्स एंड दिस इज द टैक्स लायबिलिटी बाय द डीलर. तो सेकेंड पार्ट टैक्स, तो इसके फॉर दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड द इनपुट एंड आउटपुट टैक्स. तो पहले इनपुट टैक्स निकाल लें. इनपुट टैक्स for dealer is equal to input tax on purchasing their item. तो 5% of purchase कितने में किया था? 4200. तो 4200 5% of 4200 that is equal to 210 rupees. And output tax for dealer, this is equal to again the 5% of कितने में सेल किया था? तो सेल किया इन्होंने 5400. ओके, सो इट विल बी 270 rupees. 270 rupees में सेल किया and this is the output tax. Sorry, output tax and input tax is the 210 rupees. In that case, what is the tax liability? So the tax liability is equal to output tax minus input tax. So output tax is 270 minus 210 means 60 rupees. This rupees 60 will be given as tax liability, but this is the total one. You have to divide in two parts, equal parts. One will go to the state government and one will go to the central government. So the SGST, you can say this is equal to 1 by 2 of rupees 60 total. So this is the rupees 30. Okay, this is the second part. Now the third part, the amount of tax received by the central government. अब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कितना रिसीव किया है? दिस सेंट्रल टोटल टैक्स अभी अगर हम देखें तो टोटल टैक्स हमारा कितना था? इन्होंने जो कंज्यूमर में दिया है 5% ऑफ देयर, लेकिन उससे भी निकाला जा सकता है. बट वन मोर थिंग, ये रुपीस 30 विल बी गिवन टू द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट आल्सो बाय द डीलर एंड बाय द होलसेलर. होलसेलर विल गिव द central government and state government on their selling price. Selling price पे टैक्स देगा. अब इसका selling price कितना है? The tax paid by wholesaler is equal to 5% of SP. So what is the selling price for this? This is the 4200. Means 210. This 210 rupees will go, this is the total tax by the wholesaler. Wholesaler will give, but half of the GST will go to the state government and half of the GST will go to the central government. तो इसका half करें तो central government tax CGST by wholesaler will be half of rupees 210 means 105. This 105 will go to the central government. लेकिन अब total tax पूछ रहा है, the tax total tax goes to the, how much tax will go to the central government. तो wholesaler का कितना गया 105 and dealer का कितना गया rupees 30, क्योंकि जितना इसमें गया है इतना central government में जाएगा. तो 105 plus 30. So you can write here total tax as CGST is equal to 30 plus 105 rupees 135. ये ऐसे भी निकाला जाता है कि if you find the half of the total tax given by the consumer, consumer पूरा ये दोनों का मिला के टैक्स कंज्यूमर दे देता है, क्योंकि आपने देखा कि वो 270 रुपीज हुआ था. अरे भाई 5670 था, उसने 5400 में खरीदा, तो 270 रुपीज एज द टैक्स 5% ऑफ द सीपी 270 रुपीज, उसका जस्ट हाफ कर दे तो 135 भी मिल जाएगा. तो दीज आर द टू वेज टू गिव द टैक्स बाय द डीलर एंड द होलसेलर. तो दिस इज द वे you can do the questions according to the given examples, this one, and also go through the examples of your books and the terms related in my earlier video. If you follow the Study Bright channel, you will get some more things about your examination. Thank you.